This natural powder makes plants thrive and keeps pests far away. Did you know that a single pinch of something you probably already have in your kitchen can supercharge plant growth and send pests packing? Keep watching till the end, because the results of this tiny tweak might just leave you stunned. Take 1 level teaspoon of finely ground black pepper powder, nothing fancy. Just the same smoky pepper you'd sprinkle on grilled corn. Dissolve it in half a liter of warm water, swirl for a minute. Then let the mix sit for another 5 minutes. That brief rest allows the capsaicinoids to fully infuse the water. Now strain through muslin or a coffee filter so no gritty flecks clog your sprayer. Top up with room temperature water to make a full liter. Shake again, and you've got your garden's new best friend. Here's why it works. The mild heat acts like a gentle stressor, nudging leaf pores to open wider and pull in more nutrients from the soil. At the same time, the sharp aroma confuses aphids, whiteflies, and even sneaky cutworms, driving them off without resorting to synthetic chemicals. One method, 2 wins. Spritz the solution lightly over foliage at sunrise, when stomata first wake up. 1 quick pass is plenty, no need to drench. Repeat every 7 days during active growth and every 14 once plants mature. For seedlings, have the concentration for the first month to avoid overwhelm. They'll still get the boost. After 3 weeks, you'll notice tighter internodes, deeper green leaves, and a sudden drop in nibble marks. Stick with the schedule for a full season, and you'll see root balls that look like shaggy clouds, proof of that hidden underground explosion. Give it a try, track your own before and after, and drop those results in the comments. If this tiny pinch transforms your beds the way it has mine, tap like, share the trick with a gardening buddy. And I'll see you in the next Grow Happy episode.